Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. Looks like Valentine's Day has arrived at Walmart. You know what that means. Let's go shopping. So looks like Valentine's Day has arrived in full force. We're going to look at the decor first and get into the other things, including gifts for everyone on your list. I love this wreath. I don't think I could have made it for $14. They also have a glitter option. There's a little bit less decor, I think, at least at this store, than I've seen in the years past. They do have some big signs as well as some pillows. So the pillows are running right around $8. They do have these for $11, and I thought they were two different pillows, but they're actually just two-sided. So you can pick up one or two and have two different looks. I think these are great for those who love red, and not as much for those who love pink because there's very little on the back side. Now that seems to be the trend this year at Walmart for Valentine's Day. I love these oversized signs. Now they are red and white. They have that wood detail that is the outline, and they are just such a good price for this size. I feel like everything is super inflated right now, but these are under $15, which you wouldn't expect. I think things like this you could put together, but the price might be close to what you could buy it for. They also have it in the Hugs and Kisses. Comment down below and let me know, are you a red or a pink Valentine decorator? They also have this sign. It's $6.50. I think that's a great price for it. It is quite a bit longer than it's coming off on camera, so keep that in mind if you're interested. They also have these. I think these could be easily DIY'd for a fraction of the price. So they're super cute if you're not a crafter, but they are $10 a piece. They come in the two versions, Love and the Hugs and Kisses. They also have this wood love tabletop sign with the heart as the O. It is sort of a faded pink, so if you're a pink lover, you may be interested for just under $6. They also have these that are little tabletop standing signs for just under $6, and they do light up in that center heart with batteries. Now down below I found some mini pillow ornaments is what they're calling them. A little bit pricey for $5 a piece. I remember when those were $2 or $3 a piece. They also have some really cute ceramic tabletop decor, and this, which is a set of, I would say, tiered tray or mini signs, $8 for 4 pieces. Pretty fair pricing. They also have some ribbon to choose from for Valentine's Day. Now, I think the quality is a little bit better than that of Dollar Tree, but it is priced at $5 a roll. It's gone up quite a bit. They have a Be Kind banner. I don't know how I feel about that for Valentine's Day. They also have a few different prints up here. Now, my store is not very organized on the shelves, so I am kind of finding things all over. I found this felted banner that I thought was super cute. They also have some sweater printed hearts on picks in pink and red. I think these are adorable, and these large felted hanging hearts in pink or red. Those were $3.50 a piece, which is a little pricey for what they are, but they are felted, and those tend to run a little more. They have some Love and Kisses sign, so pink or red, and they're $3.50 a piece. They have some small tabletop Hug and Kisses sign. I believe those were the same price. And then they have the wood slice signs. These are $4 a piece and come in either the white or the red. Not a lot of pink as in years past from Walmart this year. They also have this sign, and I like it because it's a new saying for Valentine's Day, in my opinion. I love to love you. That's not something you see often. They do have these two small hanging signs for $2.50 in the pink and white with the beaded detail on the handle. And I did find some mini red ceramic votive houses. It's a lot to say. Now, this is a great idea. I love this idea. You can just pop it in the center of your wreath. You don't have to switch out your wreath. It's $8, and it's a way to add a little hint of the season. They also have a tic-tac-toe set. This was confusing me because there's a kisses on the side, which is obviously for the game. It is a $7 item, but the way they put the rope on it, it made it look like it was supposed to be a wheel, and it was missing a wheel. Not for me, but they do seem to have something here for everyone this year. This is interesting. In the seasonal department, they brought in satin nighties, I'd love to hear how you guys feel about this. I don't love it for family friendly, but that's what they did. They put a little bit of their intimates section in the Valentine section. I will say the robe is really pretty. I do love the rose print on it. But I'm more of this speed for family friendly, and they do have some super cute blankets, and they're $10. I love the avocado print, and I'm not one into the avocados, but I thought that was really cute. I'm a big fan of this one in the purple, and it has all the little doggies on it. They have a pink version, and this one in the roses is super pretty. Those roses are actually shiny. They're sort of a foil. They also have these yardstake sets of signs. One is Be Mine. They're $13. They also have the conversation hearts. You get 6 of them. I'm not going that far as decorating for Valentine's Day, but they have them. They had more of those wreath accessories, and this sign that I think is really cute for $15. I just think it is a nice little addition. This could also go in the center of a wreath. Down below, they're doing blow-ups for Valentine's Day. Is that going too far? Comment down below and let me know. I think they're trying to push us to go way too far with our seasonal decorating. Now, I did notice that they had some throw rugs as well, $15. Right now, every penny counts. I'm not going to be spending any money on a front throw rug, but if you love Valentine's Day and you are a cook, or you know a cook, or your Valentine is a cook, you may want to check out their seasonal department, because they even have little sets of oven mitts. They're called kitchen bundle sets. They have different dish towels, especially if you love pink, you may want to check them out. That seemed to be more of the color scheme for the kitchen items in all of their different prints. And then the reds were more of their household decor. Now, I thought this was interesting. It is overpriced. We'll get back to that in a second. They have those gauzy runners. I wanted to mention that to anyone who is really in that trend right now. They also have some runners in this sort of latch hooking heart, which I think is really pretty in the white. I think this is something really great for maybe even a little girl's room. They also have an ombre runner. I think this is really pretty and a simple hint of the season without going overboard. Now, is it just me, or is $8 a whole heck of a lot for 2 napkins and 2 rings? They're selling them like that. They are also putting them together in a 7-piece dining set. So on the back, it tells you what you get. I think it's placemats, a runner, 2 rings, and 2 napkins. I was totally distracted by those little things, but I caught this out of the side of my eye standing up. It's a really nice Be Mine sign. So if this is your gig, you may want to check it out. It's only $20. I do have to mention, I always buy cards for my Valentines, for my kids, my husband, anyone in my life that I really want to give something to on Valentine's Day. And these are the handmade cards, just like the Dollar Tree sells. They're the nicer cards that you would pay $1.25 for at the Dollar Tree. They have them at Walmart for 98 cents. They had quite a few to choose from. I think this is a better deal than the Dollar Tree this year. There's a few things I'm going to show you guys. I really like this one with the banners. They even have them for the littles, so check out the card section. They also did, I'll show you guys, the wrapping paper, really well priced, better than Dollar Tree. But lots to choose from, even Smitten Kitten. They do show you what the card says on the inside, on the back. And speaking of kittens, they have a whole section of Valentines if you're buying something for your cat. And if you don't have a cat and you have a dog, they have you covered. They have a whole end cap of all these little outfits you could buy for your dog. And then I found the stuffed animal section. I think this year they've done more stuffies than ever. This is reminding me of the stuff that we usually see at Target with the peanut butter and jelly. This was confusing me. So it's a huggable pet. I like the concept. I'm not sure how much that one was, but they have a lot of these. Now, this one's okay. He's kind of funny. I do like the little banjo player, but I think they went a little too far, a little too risque with this guy opening up his robe. I'm not sure about that, but they also had the obvious song for the horse, and then lots of the food themed pears. So these go together. It's a fries and a burger. I think that one's really cute. They also had a milk and cookies, which is super cute. And if you're a Disney lover, they have the larger Minnie and Mickey. I believe these were $15 a piece. So I think that's probably a really good price. Now, I'm not into Squishmallows. My kids are older, but they have a ton of them. I don't know if they're official Squishmallow or if they're Walmart version, but they had a lot to choose from. And apparently they're putting all kinds of candy labels on them now. So I thought that was interesting. I did think this little strawberry is super cute, but I was seeing Twizzlers and Reese's and Hershey on the Squishmallows. So if you're into that, you may want to check it out. This little strawberry is too cute. So these were some of the stuffed animals. This is the tamer stuffed animals. Then I went down the aisle, and on an end cap, they had large stuffed animals for $10. So they had the frog, the unicorn, the puppy, and the sloth. Now, I was one of those parents that didn't let my kids have a ton of stuffed animals. I know I'm not so nice when it comes to that. They had a few that they were really attached to, but what do you do with all these stuffed animals after you get them home and after the holiday? They are definitely pushing the larger ones, and they had different price points for different sizes. So for these, I found mostly these were the bears. They were $45. They had some smaller options over here for $27 that are still quite a good size. They're definitely oversized. That dinosaur was cracking me up. They had massive teddy bears stuffed in here for $55. They also have some huge unicorns, and then the dinosaur in a larger size as well. So it depends on your price point. Now, I'm not into the stuffies, but if I was going to buy one, it would be this one for $15. I think it is very handsome, it's very classic, and the price was great for the size. If you're into unicorns, they've got a lot of them. They also have some mugs, which would probably be great gifts for the coffee lover or tea lover in your life, or maybe a teacher. They do have tons of portable tumblers, and then some more novelty style drinking vessels, some really big mugs for $5, and then some of the gift tumblers. This was also interesting, and not sure who's buying this, but they have slippers for Valentine's Day, and they're definitely trying to give you the idea that you can do your own DIY. They've got lots of glass vases. I would say buy them at Dollar Tree where they're $1.25, because here they're $5, and they're a little bit larger than the ones at Dollar Tree, but you get more bang for your buck. Of course, they have tons of stuff for baking if you're into making treats for your Valentine. And I thought these were interesting. They reminded me of those things we find usually in Target Dollar Spot. And you get 3 of the notebooks for $3. Thank you guys for coming with me to Walmart. I hope you enjoyed seeing what they have, and I'll see you back very soon.